trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling me this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to the channel that we say TV. Guys, we are in Port Antonio today. So it's very early in the morning, right? It's like 8:30 in the morning, and we are at what's called a breakfast party. And Sanchez is going to be performing today, so that's what brought us down here. We're with a group of friends, so Sanchez is performing, so we thought we'd come down, check it out. But this place is absolutely beautiful. We're at a place called Errol Flynn Marina. We've passed it many times, Outlaw and I. Never stopped here, but the actual event is here. It's called Sun Up, but it's so beautiful here, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. It's on the pier. I'm not sure if cruise ships still stop here, but there is a pier here. There's some yachts here. Beautiful water. Yeah, nice setup. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to the event. Guys, the event is supposed to start at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? It's meant to be 6 till 2, that's what it says on the flyer. 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. It's a breakfast party. Why is it 8:30 and like nobody's here? They haven't even set up yet. They haven't even set up yet, right? So we got here, we left at 6 from Ochi at 6 because, we wasn't going to get here at 6. We knew that it wasn't going to start on time, but we're here like after 8 and it's still not set up. The promoter's like, oh, we're just setting up. But the one good thing is that the price of the tickets includes food, all you can eat food. So there's breakfast. So I've just got my cornmeal porridge. If you see that. Got my cornmeal porridge. Yeah, which tastes really good. And they have callaloo, yam banana, all kind of traditional Jamaican breakfast. And the good thing is that you can come eat as much as you like, so you can come and go, yeah, eat all day, which is good. So I think it's well worth it for the price that we paid for the tickets. So yeah, we're here very early. I think it's going to be an all-day thing. It's supposed to finish at 2. When we asked the people then what time it's going to finish, they're now saying 5 o'clock. So I think we're going to be here all day. Look, I'm sweating already. It's so hot, but it's just so beautiful. It's really beautiful here. Yeah, I am. That's Outlaw. He said I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you guys on the camera. Gosh, but yeah, it's so nice here, guys. I'm gonna do a little walk around and show you everything. Yeah. So on the grounds it says Jamaica Defence Force Titchfield Training Camp. I wonder if we'll see any of the JDF today doing training. Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Another prize. That me say.
Mr. Outlaw himself.
Outlaw.
Yes.
Say hello to my friend.
That's it.
Yes, people.
I'm good, man. You're good?
Showing you the surroundings. Beautiful, isn't it? So this is the Errol Flynn Marina in Port Antonio. Like I said, me and Outlaw pass this all the time and didn't know this was here. I'm going to show you the setup for today. Picturesque. Yes, stage still setting up. Yes. Bars empty now. Yeah, stage set up. Got a place where you can sit down. It's a nice setup. Still got the water all around. Yeah. Yep. So this obviously is set up for the event. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like here. So this is the event we come to, Sun Up. We've opened up over there. The beach part here. It's beautiful, isn't it, people? It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Look how clear the water is. Look. The yachts out there. Yes, people. I'm not saying too much on this one, just because I'm just like, yeah, awestruck really. Jamaica's nice, right? Yes, Jamaica is nice. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Yes. Thank you. Facts, Port Antonio. Some interesting facts. Information. Oh yeah, that is true. Yes, Portland was the first tourist place in Jamaica, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
First yeah, before Ochery, Senegal and all that, it was Portland. Yeah, but it's so beautiful here, guys. Honestly, it's absolutely beautiful. Isn't it?
Nice, man.
Really pretty. Gorgeous.
If you know it's safe.
That girl, I'm so nice. Oh, man, it's good.
Little to that better remember this. Satan give me a beach scout scam.
Starting to believe I never mind anyone. God is trying to convince me to give in, but you came in. Yeah. The day the sun came to shining through, the rain in the skies are blue, yeah. And no people.